Oh.
Yes,
So we-
what is entitlement?
Yeah, awesome. Good question. Can you read the first one for me, Sally?
VA loan entitlement, the amount that the Veteran Affairs will pay the lender in the event that a borrower defaults on his or her loan, and the mortgage lender has to make, investors whole.
Alright. So, VA loan entitlements is the amount that the federal government will pay to the lender in any situation when the client default on the loan. If the veteran using the VA loan the first time, what is their full entitlement? It's 25% of the loan amount. Remember? 25% of the loan amount. That's called entitlement. If someone have a $1 million loan, and the first time they use the VA loan, what is their full entitlement amount?
250.
250. You got it. You see that? 25%. Do you get it? You got it, right?
Yeah.
All right. Can you read me the second one, Andres?
If a borrower defaults, a minimum of 25% of the loan amount is guaranteed by the federal government, assuming that the borrower has full entitlement.
That's when they have full entitlement. So, Alex, what is the full entitlement amount? The percentage in percentage. 25%.
25%.
Yeah, of the loan amount,
Mhm.
right? So, how do we calculate the remaining entitlement?
So if you have two of them, do they do 25 and 25?
No.
No.
You have to learn how to do the
12
entitlement.
and a half, 12 and a half?
Now let's learn how to do it. Don't go ahead. Don't jump too far. So, Alex, can you read me the first column?
VA loan entitlement. Maximum amount of the Veterans Affairs will repay lender if the borrower defaults on a loan. 36,000 or 25% of the loan amount. Basic level, 36,000 or secondary level, 25% of loan amount.
Thank you so much, Alex. So, why there is 36,000? Because VA loan was created a very, very, very long time ago. And at that point, the average house value is like $144,000. And 25%
Average.
of 144,000 is 36,000.
Right.
So that's called the basic level. That before the entitlement is 36,000. That's 25% of the home value at that point. But because the home now is not 144,000, it's millions. So now we have the secondary level, and it is 25% of the loan amount.
So let me ask you, if your house, not here, but if your house is worth less somewhere else, less than 36,000, do they pay the full 36,000 then? Or they just 25%?
25%.
Oh, okay.
Okay, 36,000 or 25%. Okay. All right. The second column. Let somebody read it for me. Josh, you read the second column for me?
Full entitlement. If you never used a VA loan before, or if you did use it and you have your entitlement restored, or you sold the property, no loan limits, no down payment, no mortgage insurance.
So we explained this before, right?
Mhm.
Alex?
Yes.
So if you use your VA loan the first time, you have full entitlement. Or you sold the property, the first VA loan, you sold it, then now you have full entitlement again.
Again.
Or you refinance that first property from VA loan to conventional loan, now you have full entitlement again, right? Can you read the second paragraph?
You can borrow $2 million loan if your income qualifies for it with 0 down payment.
Is it understandable? So as long as the veteran qualify for the loan amount, they don't have to put any down payment if the loan amount is the same as the home value. If they buy a home at $2 million and they qualify for $2 million, they don't have to bring in any down payment, right? And they have full entitlement. If they default, how much the government will pay for the lender?
25%.
Of $2 million.
Oh, 500,000.
500,000.
Yeah.
That's a lot, right? Now you're all expert. You know, when you go out now, you can talk about VA entitlement. You know what? If you understand this, you can go online. You talk about, I know if you need me to help you with calculating your VA entitlement, call me. You get a bunch of clients. Because they don't know. We're going to learn how to do it, okay? Alex, can you read me the last column?
Partial entitlement. You can have more than one VA loans as long as you have your entitlement remaining. Count the loan limits when you have more than one VA loan.
Okay. So meaning the first one saying you can have more than one VA loan as long as you have your remaining entitlement. If you run out of entitlement, you have no more VA loan.
Mm-hmm.
But in order for you to restore VA entitlement, how do you do that? There are two ways.
Sell your house.
Sell the house or
Refinance.
refinance. You got it.
Refinance to a conventional.
Yes.
Okay.
So when you meet your client, you give them option. Hey, you want to restore your VA loan entitlement in order for you to use all that for your owner occupied home that you're buying, or you want to just use the remaining. You should do that. Be an advisor. Don't just tell me what you want to do. You tell your client what's best for them. If they bought that house too low of the price over there, don't use the entitlement because they're gonna buy a house a lot expensive here. Let refinance to a conventional so they can have the full amount of entitlement, so you don't have to bring in any down payment, because the down payment here may be a lot, like 500,000. They don't have money. If they have full entitlement, they don't have to bring in any down payment. You have to look at the picture. Oh, you have a VA loan here. If you keep it, you don't do anything about it, you might need to bring in down payment here, and the down payment here is a lot, and I don't see you have enough money for the down payment. Why don't you refinance that one conventional to restore all your entitlement, so you don't have to do any down payment over here? That's a loan agent supposed to do, right? You're supposed to advise your client what to do. And whenever there is, because if they use some of their entitlement, there is the loan limit applied. And the loan limit at the county, right, that they're using. And how do we calculate that?